Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 13th, 2021. And the first question is, Nitin Gadkari inaugurate country's first private liquefied natural gas plant in which of the following states? And the options are A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Nagpur, and D. Vadodara. And the correct answer is C. Nagpur. So Nitin Gadkari inaugurated country's first private liquefied natural gas plant in Nagpur. And the second question is, Giridhar Aramane has been given additional charge as chairman of which of the following? And the options are A. NHAI, B. CID, C. CBI, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. NHAI, National Highways Authority of India. NHAI, National Highways Authority of India, Formation 1995, Act 1988. And the third question is, Keshav Dutt passed away recently. He is renowned for which profession? And the options are A. Football player, B. Cricketer, C. Athlete, and D. Hockey player. And the correct answer is D. Hockey player. He was a double Olympic gold medal winner 1948 and 1952. Mohan Bagan conferred him with the Mohan Bagan Ratna in 2019. And the fourth question is, who among the following is named as Twitter Resident Grievance Officer for India? And the options are A. Sprurti Priya, B. Vinay Prakash, C. Paresh P. Lal, and D. Ajit Doval. And the correct answer is B. Vijay Prakash. Vijay Prakash is named as Twitter Resident Grievance Officer for India. And the fifth question is, which of the following state unveils the new state population policy 2021 to 2030? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Delhi, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Tamil Nadu. And the correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. CM Yogi Adityanath unveils new state population policy. CM on this occasion also started distribution of Shagan kits to encourage the means of family planning among the newly wedded. And the sixth question is, KVIC recently secured registration in which of the following country? And the options are A. Bhutan, B. UAE, C. Mexico, and D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. KVSC recently secured registrations in 9 countries and KVSE has been granted Khadi registration in various classes. And the seventh question is, IIT Madras and which organization have proposed to host a hackathon called Samvedam 2021? And the options are A. Sony India, B. Microsoft, C. Panasonic, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Sony India. IIT Madras and Sony India have proposed to host a hackathon called Samvedam 2021. And the eighth question is, who won the men's singles title at Wimbledon 2021? And the options are A. Roger Federer, B. Novak Djokovic, C. Matteo Berrettini, and D. Rafael Nadal. And the correct answer is B. Novak Djokovic. Djokovic beat Berrettini to win men's singles title at Wimbledon 2021. Djokovic won Wimbledon Open title for the sixth time. It is the 134th edition of the Wimbledon Open and the third Grand Slam event of 2021. Now Djokovic has won 20 Grand Slam men's singles titles. Equally, most Grand Slam singles titles were captured by Djokovic with 20, Federer with 20, and Nadal with 20. Croatia's Marija Sikak becomes first female umpire to officiate men's singles final. Marija Sikak is the chair umpire for the Wimbledon 2021 men's singles. Marija Sikak has been an umpire at Wimbledon for the past 15 years. And the ninth question is, CPW has celebrated which year of its service to the nation on Monday, that is 12th July? And the options are A. 167th, B. 175th, C. 137th, and D. 155th. And the correct answer is A. 167th. CPW, which means Central Public Works Department under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, came into existence in July 1854. And the 10th question is, who is the author of the book titled The Ramayana of Sri Guru Govind Singh Ji? And the options are A. Amish Raj Mulmi, B. Baljit Kaur Tulsi, C. Indra Nooyi, and D. Ronnie Screwvala. And the correct answer is B. Baljit Kaur Tulsi. PM Modi received the first copy of that book, The Ramayana of Sri Guru Govind Singh Ji. And the 11th question is, in which of the following sea INS Tower participated in maritime partnership exercise with Italian Navy? And the options are A. Adriatic Sea, B. Ligurian Sea, C. Tyrrhenian Sea, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Tyrrhenian Sea. And the 12th question is, which organization has launched first kind action group to improve handling of mobility aids? And the options are A. NHAI, B. ACI, C. IIF, and D. IATA. And the correct answer is D. IATA, which means International Air Transport Association. IATA Global Action Group to improve handling mobility for safe and secure transport. And the one-liners today are: former Ipswich and England striker Paul Mariner passed away. World Malala Day is observed on July 12th. ICC CEO Manu Shane has resigned from his position. Indian Army has inaugurated a war memorial in the memory of Captain in Gulmarg near the LOC. International Cricket Council's current chairman was Greg Barclay from New Zealand. And Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri has died during the Operation Birsa Munda in 1999. Birsa Munda operation was raid conducted against a Pakistani post by Bihar Battalion. And 21st session of the India-Italy Joint Commission for Economic Cooperation was held virtually. MOD implements web-based integrated system SPARS for defense pension, whereas SPARS means System for Pension Administration, Raksha. ICCR will set up a Bangabandhu chair at Delhi University. The chair will focus on better understanding OD developments in Bangladesh. The chair will be occupied by a foreign visiting professor or subject expert on Bangladesh. It is the first of its kind initiative of setting up a chair on Bangladesh in India. Whereas ICCR means Indian Council for Cultural Relations, founded in 1950 by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. And Axis Bank has done first transaction in SOFR linked derivative. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.